Now, with the Delta variant, however, this came in a little later, so they only have some data right now. But what they have shown so far is that it is more highly transmissible, so even higher in infectivity than the others, especially the alpha, and also seems to be not working as well with the prototype vaccines. The Delta is worse than any of them. That is probably the take-home point there. So we do need to be very careful, but maybe I will go back to the basics here. What happened in Indonesia was that they went through Ramadan. So these people, these healthcare workers, maybe even the others, became complacent. So we always say that these vaccines do not protect against, may not protect against mild or moderate, but would protect more against severe form of the disease.
Yeah.
And we have seen this among these cases, I think around 350 of them. Most of them were actually mild. So that is still in keeping with what we've been saying. But of course, those who have comorbidities, or maybe those who are more senior healthcare workers, somehow were placed in under ICU or were hospitalized, or I think even one died. So we actually expected this. But what we want also people to know is the variants are real. There are many studies already with various vaccines on the immune escape or the lower efficacy against this variant. So that is why we keep on telling people that the vaccine is not enough. So we still have to follow all of these minimum public health precautions, precisely to until we reach that. I was listening to Sir Joey's interview, no? Precisely, we have to reach that level of protection.
Sisingit lang yung isa pang tanong, yung number 3. Kasi number
Okay.
Binanggit mo na kanina face shields. Ano ba talaga? We've had a public pronouncement from the president, and we have had some confusion actually until now on the policy. Medically, where do we stand?
I know some of our infectious disease experts already were consulted about this, and no, we do not want the face shields to be removed at this time. With all these variants, with all these cases rising in the other parts of the Philippines, even in the NCR plus bubble, while we are seeing some slowing down, we're not yet off the hook, so we have to maintain that. So there is added value or added protection when we put in that face mask. Kasi, di ba, the face shield, the face mask will only cover the mouth and the nose. The eyes will be covered by the face shield. And, kasi merong mga splashes dyan eh. So that gives you better protection, higher than 95-97%.